Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from my kitchen. Ultimate comfort food any day is a bowl of hot rice and dal with a dollop of ghee. Today's recipe is a spinach dal prepared in Andhra style. Let's take a quick overview of the ingredients. All the details will be given in the description box below. Clean spinach, wash it a couple of times and drain away all the water and roughly chop and keep it aside. I am preparing this dal in a pressure cooker, but you can make it on a stove top or an instant pot. Now add in some lentils directly into the pressure cooker and wash them. Add enough water to cover the lentils. To this, add in some turmeric powder, sliced onions and slit green chillies. Now place chopped spinach above this. Take another small pressure cooker safe bowl, ideally a steel bowl. Place it above the spinach and to this add tamarind, red chilli powder and one roughly chopped tomato. Place this bowl with the tomatoes over the spinach. Close the lid and pressure cook for 3 whistles over high heat and then reduce the flame and simmer for about 5 minutes and then turn off the heat. Open the lid once the pressure completely subsides. First mash up everything in the small bowl and then add it to the pressure cooker and mash everything together. Add required salt and some sugar. You can also add some water to get the desired consistency. Usually this dal is neither too liquidy nor too thick. It's like a semi-liquid consistency. So if you have added water, then bring the contents to a boil over medium heat with constant stirring for about 2 to 3 minutes and then turn off the heat. But if you don't add water, then you don't need to actually boil it again. Transfer the dal to a serving bowl and now let's give a tadka to this dal. For this, heat oil or ghee in a small pan over medium heat. When oil is hot enough, add some mustard seeds, cumin seeds, crushed garlic and dry red chillies. When mustard seeds splutter, add a pinch of Asafoetida, turn off the heat and add some curry leaves. Transfer the tempering to the dal and mix well. Serve with rice or roti. Do try out this Andhra style spinach dal and let me know how it turned out for you. If you like this recipe, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And if you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for new updates. That was it for today guys. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's me Padma signing off.